What animal says moo? Get ready. 3, 2, 1. It's a cow.
Can you guess this giant animal? 3, 2, 1. Elephant!
Who is barking like that? 3, 2, 1. Dog!
What wild animal makes this roar? 3, 2, 1. Lion!
Can you guess this tiny animal? 3, 2, 1.
What animal loves to quack? 3, 2, 1. Duck!
Hey, what animal is this? 3, 2, 1. Monkey!
What tiny animal says ribbit? 3, 2, 1. Frog!
Which farm animal is this? 3, 2, 1. Chicken!
What fast animal makes this sound? 3, 2, 1. Horse!